Good morning, everybody. Dimitri from Total Physical Therapy. Checking in, seeing how everybody is doing. It's Tuesday, and want to introduce you to our newest member to our pack. This is Alta. Alta is a German Shepherd mix, about a year and a half. He is a rescue from Sochi, Russia. Came off the boat a couple of weeks ago. We've fostered him and we have decided to adopt him, and he's an awesome little boy, super chill. And as you know, we're big time skiers and I love Alta, so we figured we'd name him Alta. So there you go. Say hi. Just wanted to reach out and say hi and kind of tell you a little bit about Total Physical Therapy. I'm sure you guys kind of know a bit about it, but kind of give you a little bit of nuance to it with regard to the situation that we're in with virtual PT or telehealth medicine, and how we're integrating that and what we're doing and the results. So we opened up our practice. I opened up my practice in 2002 in February, and back then, before the iPhone and when the internet was crap, and people weren't really using it that well at all for what we're doing. Our physical therapy was very manual based. So most of what I did with my patients was stretching, hands-on work, deep tissue work, and it wasn't that much based on strength training or position or a significant amount of movement. It was really about, it hurt there, let's stretch it, let's rub it, let's mobilize it. And not that it's wrong, it's just not as right as what we're doing today. 18 years is a long time, almost 19 years. And so a lot of things change. And Lauren came on in 2012 and she's been kick-ass for our practice. And what we've realized over the last bunch of years, taking dozens of postdoc continuing education courses and being able to learn from them and advance our practice, is that hands-on is awesome. And it's, in some cases it's absolutely necessary. But in most cases, what it's really about is not necessarily hands-on work, but movement. Physical therapy is not manual therapy, it's physical therapy. The word physical is a big deal. It's about movement, it's about motion, it's about position of the body, position of the bones that hold muscles in a certain place. So, somebody very, very smart once said, muscles are slave to the position they are placed in. So we realized a while ago that it's really about the position that we put you in. And if you can feel that position and it's the appropriate position, you're going to feel stronger, you're going to feel more stable, you are going to feel safer. And that safety is what allows your brain to allow you to move better. So if we assess you visually, and if we see how you stand, how you bend, how you stand on one leg, how you turn, how you twist, how you kneel, how you progress from lying on your back to rolling over onto your stomach, to getting on all fours, to getting onto one knee, to standing up from kneeling, half kneeling, to coming back down, seeing how you sit down, stand up, how you lunge. These are all things that we can do 100% without being in the same room with you. Because frankly, 18 years ago when we were watching and looking at movement assessments, we weren't moving for you. We weren't, you guys weren't marionettes, were you? Right? You were moving. Our job was to watch and instruct and educate and correct. And that is exactly what we're doing now. We're just doing it via telemedicine. Okay? We're better at it now because 18 years ago we were all dummies compared to where we are now. And so, what's really cool is that our patients are getting better. Our patients are getting better even though we're miles and miles away. But they are able to check in. They're able to connect and communicate and call and email and text and virtually Skype or FaceTime with us anytime they have a question. Part of what we give you guys is a video library of correctives. Now, in this case, usually what happens is in real time, we take a video of you and we build a Google Drive video library of what you guys need to do. Now, in this case, I'm taking videos of me, making sure that we first go over it with you doing it, but then I'm baking in the videos into your library and sending that over to you. And we advance that library based on session by session. So we have to go through a movement assessment. That is 90% of what we do with our new clients, and our existing clients, we just kind of move them along the way we've been all along doing it. So again, it's all about making sure that your body is in the appropriate position to move better. And in order to do that, we have to assess how you're moving poorly first. And if you're having any type of symptoms, or if you have an injury, clearly your movement is not ideal. Otherwise you wouldn't be hurt. So we're here for you. We've been doing it before. We're going to continue to do it. And if you are hesitant, or if you are skeptical or cynical about virtual physical therapy, and if you're saying, there's no way this is going to work, they have to touch me, they have to stretch me, it's crap, DM me, call Lauren, DM Lauren, go to our website, total-pt.com. All our information's there. Reach out to us, send us smoke signals. I'm looking around, I'm not seeing any, but I'm sure there's some are going to come up. We're waiting for you. Any questions, concerns, just reach out. We can chat as long as necessary. So hope you guys are doing okay. See you later. Bye-bye. Alta says bye-bye. Okay, I'll talk to you guys soon. Be well, stay healthy, move.